This is Project Easy Go Day 2, evening portion. As you can see, I have moved the golf cart into the garage and I have space heaters going to help bake this paint and protect it from cats. As well as the paint baking, I have created an epoxy step, or fiberglass I should say, over the pre-existing rusted out metal step that was here before. So this should be a nice veneer and added strength to the metal step, because I didn't have a real good economical solution to replacing it, and this is supposed to be more or less a low budget project where I will spend the time sanding and refurbishing over replacing. And this is my best alternative for refurbishing. Although I do probably have about $50 of fiberglass and resin invested into this now, but I already owned it and I was saving it for a rainy day, and here is my rainy day. I have also finished the rest of the framing outside and sprayed it with several additional layers of truck bed liner. So it's all coming together, and I should be at a good point come tomorrow. I will clean up all my old hardware and really just try and get into the final steps of things prior to assembly. If I can have everything prepped and ready for assemble by the end of this weekend, I will be able to put the cart back together next weekend, and that will be fairly good timeline for me, considering the amount of work that's going into this and the speed at which it is getting completed. Well, that should do it. Project Easy Go Day 2, evening. I'm out.